Well, hello guys. Today we're gonna unbox a Beyblade Burst lot because Burst is ending, and with my Holy 2 Supersonicos, I can just pray for for that it all has arrived. Cause I was worried that I'm not gonna get like my lot, cause the postman just said it was delivered, but it wasn't. It was a lie. Oh, we get already our first bay, which is Wild Wyvern. Which, don't mind my mother screaming in the background, but hey, here's the QR code while the app is still alive. I'm kind of pissed in a way, but I will get that into a minute. Here you are blessed between my Sonicos. I'll see them. Here's some other ones. Here is one that I don't have. Storm Spriggan, or Spryzen S2, which is really good. Which I finally have Knuckle and Unite. Well, a proper color. No, not really proper. Anyway, which is pretty epic. Which I'll do like a video with these guys anyway. So, yeah, there we go. Spryzen, or Spriggan. Here is Ragnarok R1. This has even the wrong combo, because normally it will come with spread with like, I don't know if it comes with spread. But I have another XL, which is this one's a bit worn, but hey, I wanted this layer anyway, which is pretty epic. Here's the QR code, which is epic. Or I kind of want to try a limited meta thing, I like limited. Here are other exciting parts about these days. Fuck. Okay, we're back from pain. Yes, here is Kaiser Kerbeus, or King Kerbeus, or whatever you want to call him. This one isn't in that good shape. You see the dent in here. Here, I didn't saw that one on the picture, but hey. This feels decently tight, so it's his anime colors. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And here is Exceed Evil Eye, if I'm correct. He's the most edgiest Beyblade of all time, in which looks kind of like a dragon though, but probably isn't. It's an eye. It's supposed to be an eye, or Evapiro, which it kind of also looks like a windmill. But hey, that's just my opinion, and it has the most edgiest driver edge, and it sucks, and I get an extra heavy, which is pretty epic, in my opinion. Let's go to the one of the highlights. Valtryek Wing XL. This XL is really in really bad shape. This is turned more into a ball tip, but hey, it's at least I have Valtryek Wing XL in a way though. All my XLs now suck. Yeah, it looks pretty alright. I finally can say I can do Spriggan versus Valkyrie for once. Yeah. And here is Dark Death Cyber, or known as Doomsizer, also known as Daigo's Beyblades, or Dynas, or Diabetes. Yeah. This is the most competitive layer out of them all, probably. It has the literal circle shape, so it's good for stamina. Yeah, I need to replace that Jaggy because that Jaggy looks dead. But hey, that's just a theory. Here's my favorite one. Possibly one of my favorite bays of all time. Here is... I can't even... It's hard to change modes on these things. Anyway, I won't use this tip anyway. Here is King Kerbeus, or... Guardian Kerbeus, or not Hazard Kerbeus, or I don't know anymore. This is the Hasbro version, which I know, it doesn't have the gimmick, but I like this guy, and I'll do battles with this guy. That's also another heavy, always nice to have those. And Survive Slingshot, which this one doesn't, it's hard to change the modes on, it's annoying. But I won't be using this tip anyway, I'll make a custom stock for it, or I'll just use Revolve. Yeah, so this bay, it's pretty sick. Ignore my mom again screaming in the background. But yeah, this is it for my lot. So Hold on, let's get a money shot of all my bays and my waifus. Yeah, so, I'll be soon doing some more burst stuff, I guess. But, tune in for next time. Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.